Hey guys, my name is Chetty. I've been in the industry cook for about 24 years now, and this channel is going to be all about how I do a simple, easy recipes at home, whether it be for you, for two, or any more. It's going to be simple, straightforward, unconventional, untraditional. The haters are going to hate, but this is going to be super simple. Also, you can throw in, my if I don't feel like cooking on my day off, I'm going to show you how I do takeout and what I like to order and eat when I don't feel like cooking on my day off. Also, maybe throw in a simple how I travel or how I vacation, or maybe just mix in some how I do pretty much anything in my daily life. So if you feel like this had any value to you, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe, and we can go from there so I can continue making great how I do videos for you guys. All right, thanks very much. Peace.